Hi everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to save Instagram Reels to your gallery. So let's go forward and open the Instagram app right here. And I'm going to add a new post. I'm going to my camera roll right here and I'm going to select the Reel option. And right here at the top right corner we have an icon like a gear. I'm going to tap on that gear icon at the top right corner. And right here we have some settings from our for our Reels option. So what I'm going to do right here is toggle on this option where it says save reels to device. So basically this means that you automatically save your reels to your phone. They'll be saved when you publish them. So this is the settings for when you are going to post a reel next. But let's say you already made a reel and you want to save that. So I'm going to my profile right here. I'm going to reels. So this is basically the reel that I want to let's say to save. I'm going to tap on these three lines on the icon with the three dots right here, and I'm going to hit save. So basically this reel has been saved to my gallery. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.